Welcome back to the cookie cutter video part 2. Now last time we have learned how to draw a figure from driving the object here. We have learned how to copy and paste an object. We have learned how to change the size of the object. We have learned how to choose both objects. We have learned how to turn the object from solid to whole. We have learned how to choose two objects and using the function alignment to align them into horizontally centered or and vertically centered. We have learned how to group the object together by pressing the function group. Now this is what we have done last time. We have made the outermost shell for your cookie cutter. Now next, what we are going to do, we are going to make the content of your cookie cutter. You may need to add some word on the cookie, so we add some word in it. And first of all, we don't need such a thick content, so we change the size of the content into maybe less, just like 10 maybe. That will be good enough. And then we try to add some word here. Okay, for example, I would like to choose the option test and number. Maybe the bank name is Choi Jung Kong. Then we may consider to edit the text here. You can write a sentence by flipping the text from here. You can change the word by pressing the cursor here, maybe 60K. And you may change the height by driving this section, I guess maybe 8. And 20 is good enough, right? And after you adjust the size, so here comes the problem. This is size 30 mm and size 10 for the height. So we should try to put the word there and try to make it higher maybe. How to adjust the position of the z-axis? You may press the arrow, move it up and down. So this is 10 mm. Now you may move it upward a little bit, maybe just a little bit lower than that. Now other than the bank name, right? You may try to add some message about zero sugar. So how to do it? You may press test again. You may add some figure on it. Maybe I don't use the test 0. I will try to use a ball maybe. I use a spear to make a hole on it. The spear is too big. I have to make change on it. Maybe, I guess, 5 or 8 is good enough. Change the, maybe we'll take the ball from out first. Maybe 8. Right. And then we keep the ball here maybe. Make it a little bit shorter, maybe it's too long. 30 is too long, maybe 15 is good enough, right? Move it a little bit upward. Maybe 0, right? Maybe a little shorter. Maybe. You can add any object you want for this. Now, last thing, maybe I have to think about how to type the test, maybe sugar. Maybe we just type sugar. Adjust the size. 5, 5, maybe 10. And then I move it here. And then maybe this is too short. I have to make it taller until it's reach the size of CCK. But now it's done. But that's not the end. You cannot keep your mold like this. You press one of the item, you're holding the shift button on the keyboard so that you can do multiple selection. Now you can see that the content is being well selected. Now choose frame. When you choose frame after selecting the related item, you can do it left and right frame, or do it upside down frame, or do it top and bottom frame. Now as you are going to make it mold, you will have left and right inverted. So we choose the left and right frame and click the outside. Now that's almost the end of the mold. We choose all items and we group them. You can see that they have been sticked together. Now next step, we do it again by using alignment. We choose both objects. We do alignment, centered together, horizontal centered, and we do group again. Now that's the end of the exercise. You have your cookie cutter done. When you have finished, try to export. Try to choose STL. Try to put your item to the desktop. And I will tell you how you can hand in your homework later. Thank you. So you can go back to the main page, and then you will see your new operation here. That is one of the operation, and you can see here. Now that's the end of the part 2. Thank you.